I have a Alcatel Joy Tab 2 here. I'm going to show you two ways to perform a factory reset. The first way is going through the settings, and the second way is using the hard keys. Okay, so first way, going through the settings, go ahead and tap on your go into your settings. Then you want to scroll all the way down. Second to the bottom should be system, so tap on system, and then you want to tap on the down arrow on advanced. Then you want to tap on reset options. And now right here it says erase all data factory reset. So let's tap on that right there. And here you go, erase all data factory reset. You will lose everything on here, okay? Once the factory reset is done, it'll be as if you bought it brand new and took it out of the box. So to proceed from here, you do erase all data, okay? Now, if you want to do a hard reset using the hard keys, first thing is you need to go ahead and power off. And then once it's totally off, the next thing you got to do is press and hold two keys, okay? It's going to be the volume up, power. Press and hold both buttons at the same time. Do not let go until the Alcatel logo appears, then you can let go. We'll do it together. Volume up, power. 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go. I'm still holding on both buttons here, waiting for that logo. There it is. Go ahead and let go and give this 1 second. And it boots us into the Android recovery menu here. And to proceed with the factory reset, you want to scroll down to white data / factory reset. You can move up or down using the volume rocker. So you will go down to white data / factory reset. To proceed, you will simply go ahead and tap on the power button here. And then this message here says, this cannot be undone. Basically, once you do the factory reset, you're going to lose everything on here, okay? And once the factory reset is done, it would be as if you just bought it brand new and took it out of the box, and you have to go through the setup process. So if you want to proceed, you go ahead and highlight factory data reset, and then tap on the power button, and then you can see it do its thing there. In about like 2 minutes or so, it'll boot back up where you have to choose your language, basically at the beginning of the setup process. So pretty simple. Any questions or issues, just comment below. All right.